Adding Klarna to Woocommerce is a straightforward process that you can accomplish easily. Today, I'll guide you through the steps to do it. To begin, open Google Chrome and navigate to your website. Enter your username and password to log in. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the WordPress website dashboard. Here, you'll find various options like Home, Site, Key Ports, Media, Pages, Comments, Landing Pages, Plugins, User Tools, and Settings. Specifically, locate and click on the plugin button. Then, select Add New. In the search bar, type Klarna and wait for it to load the Klarna extension. Once visible, click on it. You'll see the Klarna checkout for Woocommerce plugin. Click on Install and wait for it to install. After installation, click on Activate. Now, click on the Settings button, followed by Payment, and enter all necessary details. Finally, click on Save Changes. Klarna is now successfully added to Woocommerce. That's all there is to it. This is the simple process to integrate Klarna into your Woocommerce platform.